Tegucigalpa, Honduras. One of the grimiest cities I've ever been in my life. Feels rough. Feels real rough. We're here, baby. We're gonna explore the hoods. Just chilling. Sun just went down. The night is crawling. The thieves are coming out. It's getting exciting. Yes.
To my YouTube channel. Let's get oily with F. Oh yeah. So my name is F, but most people call me Oily F. They call me Oily F because I'm one greasy son of a bitch. I'm currently in Honduras and I'm having the time of my life. So I'm in the least visited metropolitan areas of Central America. The capital, Tegucigalpa, aka Tegus. Honduras is infamous for its extreme poverty and murder rates. It's possibly one of the most dangerous countries in all of the Americas. It has scared away tourists for decades. Nevertheless, it was always a goal of mine to discover this beautiful country, and I was not disappointed. So, is it really dangerous? Well, I guess we'll find out. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it. It's time to get oily. Oh yeah! We got a lot of streets to explore, a lot of beers to drink, and a lot of food to eat. Let's get oily.
Yeah, so I'm going to Honduras right now. It's almost 6 in the morning. So this is where the taxi dropped me off. I was expecting something a bit more official than that. Over here, there's no signs, there's nothing official, no logos, no nothing, you know? So you just gotta rely on the knowledge of a taxi driver. Well, I got time to kill and a few warm beers, so that'll do. They'll be surprised when you end up in situations like that. You know, be patient, don't overthink it, expect it to happen. Yeah.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah, Oily F. I just made it in Tegucigalpa, Honduras. One of the grimiest cities I've ever been in my life. Wow, it's crazy over here. Looks like a whole other world. Almost has a favela vibe to it. Looks very different than most Central American cities I've ever been to. Anyways, I just got here and yeah, feels rough. Feels real rough. I understand why it's not a very touristic place and why most people avoid it. Not very walkable neither. And the streets, they all just go in circles and circles and like a snake, you know. You're guaranteed to get lost. So I've been walking around for maybe half an hour now, and I finally came across a place where it appears that they sell beer. I'm gonna start the adventure with a nice cold one. So I just got myself a cold one.
Oh, yeah.
Imperial, like in Costa Rica, but a different brand. Yeah. Should expect something similar. Doesn't say the ABV. Oh yeah, 5%, so that's actually better than 4.5. Ah, yeah. Tegucigalpa, Honduras. We're here, baby. We're gonna explore the hoods, the beautiful cities that no one dares to visit. I'm gonna enjoy a few beers, walk around, you know. I'll try to get lost neither. This city is very infamous for its high crime rate. So anyways, you know, just show respect to people, never look like a coward, and you should be fine up in those streets. Yeah, so most tourists come to Honduras and they go straight to Roatan or Utila Islands. So they actually don't even hit the continental Honduras. Well, that's a shame. I feel that it's a must see a country's capital. Yeah, to me, if you go to Honduras and you only go to Roatan Island, you've never been to Honduras. You know, stop lying and, you know, let's admit real things. Not to disrespect anybody who goes to Roatan, you know. It's really famous for its diving, its snorkeling, its beaches and everything. But over here, we're far from the beach. We represent culture. And yeah, that's my motto. We're far from the beach and close to culture. Hood travels. Oily F. Yeah. Ooh. Ah, yeah. Chilling in the hoods.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Carnitas y Chorizo. Wow. Oh, salsa picante. Oh, por favor. Wow. We're in for a treat, guys. Some street food in Tegucigalpa. Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, so there you have it. This is gonna be nice. You know, our first moment in Tegucigalpa. We don't waste no time. First the beer, then the street food. And it doesn't get more street than that. Yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm on my second beer, Salvavida, and it appears to be the other national beer of Honduras. Nice. Well, it's good, refreshing. It all tastes the same. Just like the Imperial, I can't tell the difference. As long as it's cold, it's good. When it's warm, well, it tastes like horse piss. Well, you still guzzle it down because you don't want to waste shit. So anyways, yeah, there it is. Just chilling. Sun just went down. The night is crawling. The thieves are coming out. It's getting exciting. So yeah, I'm still cruising, wandering around. Obviously, everyone's staring at me because I stand out. I always knew I was special. Yeah, well, when you got street smarts, you're good. You know, you don't want to jinx it, but you know, just respect people you come across to. And if you get robbed, well, you get robbed. That's that. That's just part of the game and part of this cold world, ain't it? Yeah. Cheers, guys.
Streets at night look like a war zone. There's piles of trash lit up on fire everywhere. Some real grimy shit. I walked around, drinking beers left and right. Past 8, there was nobody in the streets. I kept on chilling, but it was hard to find beer. Everything was closed. Everything was dead. So I went back to my hotel.
Yep, so I made it back to the hotel. Hostel Palmira. Really nice place. Check it out. So you got, you know, a kitchen, a terrace. There's a few dorms, some private rooms and everything. So I'm just going to be lounging here tonight in front of the beautiful mountain. You know, you can see the favelas from here. I got myself some beers and some water for tonight. You know, I always wake up in the middle of the night and I just need to chug some water. You got to stay hydrated. Cheers from Palmira Hostel. Good night. Oh yeah, so we start with a humble breakfast of chicken Assado. Yeah, at a lovely place, like right over here. Oh yeah. I can't start today without a nice Imperial cerveza.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So let's try a little piece, shall we?
Let's get oily.
Oh no. So good. So simple. Oh my god. Might have to get another quarter. Insane. Yeah. So I took a bus from the centro of the city. It drove me all the way to the top of the favelas. The bus just left me in the middle of nowhere. I'm going to El Parque El Picacho. I'm not too sure what to expect. All I know is that they have a pretty nice view of the city. So like I said, I'm above the favelas. And yeah, we'll give it a shot.
Oh hell yeah!
Oh yeah! What a view! Feels like I'm in a castle. Holy shit! Of course, here, El Cristo del Picacho, Almighty Jesus Christ, overlooking Tegucigalpa. A lot of beautiful churches around. And over here you can see the coat of arms of Honduras.
Ah.
Lovely pathway. Looks like the yellow pathway in the Wizard of Oz. Yeah. We're not in Kansas anymore. Or in Quebec. Oh, no, we're not. Yeah, I love to explore big cities. The capitals are always full of gems. Yeah, so I'm not too sure why everybody's shook about Tegucigalpa or Honduras in general. I mean, I never felt danger a single second. Just chilling, just dipping through, sipping brews. Yeah, right. I believe this is the main square.
Oh, that's a nice pair of fake Jordan 13s.
Oh yeah.
And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get oily. Come on, guys. Don't be greedy.
Wow, look at that. What a square. Oh yeah. So I'm just enjoying a nice cold beer. Barena. And I'm doing my favorite shit. Just chilling. Sitting down, enjoying some people watching. People just walking by left and right. As you can see, the park is filled with all kinds of numbers. So you can sit here for half an hour and you'll see all kinds of people. Yeah, if you really want to get a good glimpse of the local population, this is what you got to do. People watching. Get people of all ages, all colors, and both genders. Both, because there's only two genders, right? I only know two genders. Male or female. I'm dying for some fried chicken. I think I just met my match. Smells insane and it looks still crispy as fuck. So you know I gotta get some. Let's have this goddamn fried chicken, shall we? Oh, insane. So crispy, so juicy. This is insane. Señor Pollo. Wow. No sauce needed. This is the real deal, real fried chicken. Oh, to die for. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh, I'm speechless. Yeah, insane. Incredible. Right here. Señor Pollo. Oh yeah. Another one? What the fucking odds? So good. What would I do without beer? Yeah. Oh man, I'm loving it over here. Tegucigalpa, Honduras. Amazing. I'm just mind blown by this city. You know, one of the most neglected capitals in the world. I haven't seen no tourists at all day. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. So much to do, so much to see, so many faces to look at. You know, you just gotta look and smile at people. The reward is incredible. Yeah, so take a look at where we at. Viva Honduras. Yeah. Yes. Come and visit Honduras, especially Tegucigalpa. I won't have time to do all the cities, unfortunately, and I realize that it's a shame. Que lástima, as you would say in Spanish. But hey, I'm doing the best I can. With a little amount of time I got, I'm making the best out of it. You know it's true.
There is no shortage of sensations or emotions that I'm having while splurging into Honduran culture. The gentle people of Honduras made me shiver and tremble. I had so many goosebumps during my stay. Being the least touristic country in Central America, it came to no surprise that the people were some of the most hospitable. So, is Honduras dangerous? I wouldn't say so. They say it's peligroso, and although I'm no stranger to danger, I never felt unsafe in any way. I walked through the streets of Tegucigalpa and wandered around drinking one beer after the other, basically just asking to get robbed. I didn't see any MS-13 or 18th Street gang members. No one tried to rob me, no one tried to screw me. Alright, I know what you're gonna say. It's because I'm a guy and not a girl, and I could have been mistaken for a Latino. Okay, sure, I get it. It could be true, but I must mention that I've met numerous solo female travelers out here, and most of them were very good looking, with blonde hair and blue eyes, the whole shebang just standing out. So it's just to say, it's not as bad as you think. So come and see for yourself and enjoy the beauty and warmth of the people of Honduras. So that was that. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Next up, we're gonna eat some iguana soup right here in Tegucigalpa. Oh yeah! Let's get oily. And let's not forget to subscribe, hit that notification button, show some love, and stay tuned for the next episode. Peace.